When it comes to designing or renovating your Orangeburg home, every detail matters, especially when working with small spaces. One key decision homeowners often overlook is the type of windows that will work best for their space. While there are many window styles to choose from, slider windows stand out as an excellent option for small rooms. These windows offer a combination of aesthetic appeal, functionality, and space-saving benefits that make them ideal for compact areas in your home. If you're considering window replacement or installation for your smaller rooms in Orangeburg, here's why slider windows are the perfect choice. Maximizing space efficiency. One of the most significant challenges in small spaces is making the most of every square inch. Traditional double-hung windows or casement windows open outward, taking up valuable space and making it harder to arrange furniture or landscaping outside. This can be particularly problematic for tight rooms, narrow hallways, or areas with limited outdoor space. Slider windows, on the other hand, open horizontally, allowing the sashes to glide smoothly from side to side. Since they don't swing outward like other window styles, they don't take up additional space outside or inside your home. This makes slider windows a perfect choice for small spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, or even basements, where you want to maximize both your interior space and your outdoor environment. Effortless operation. Another benefit of slider windows in small spaces is their ease of operation. Traditional windows can be harder to open and close, especially in smaller rooms or areas where space is limited. Double-hung windows require you to lift the sash and slide it up or down, while casement windows need to be cranked open, which can be challenging if you have limited room to maneuver. With slider windows, opening and closing is a breeze. You simply push or pull one of the sashes horizontally, requiring less effort and space than other types of windows. This makes slider windows particularly useful for elderly homeowners, children, or anyone who wants to easily operate their windows without much hassle. It's also a huge benefit in small bathrooms or utility rooms, where accessibility and ease of use are important. Enhanced ventilation. Good ventilation is essential for any room in your home, but it becomes even more important in small spaces where air circulation can be limited. A lack of airflow can make a room feel stuffy and uncomfortable, especially during hot summers in Orangeburg. Slider windows provide an excellent solution by offering wide openings. Since both sashes can slide open, they allow a greater volume of air to enter and exit the room, helping to improve airflow. In contrast to single-hung or casement windows, which may only offer limited ventilation, slider windows can be opened wider, allowing for better air circulation, especially in smaller spaces. Whether you want to let in a refreshing breeze during the day or need to improve air quality during high humidity, slider windows help create a more comfortable and breathable indoor environment. Stylish design and better natural light. Another significant advantage of slider windows in small spaces is their sleek design and ability to let in plenty of natural light. The large glass panes typically used in slider windows allow sunlight to flood into your room, making even the smallest space feel brighter and more open. For small rooms, natural light can have a huge impact, creating the illusion of more space and providing a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Since slider windows feature wide, unobstructed glass, they're perfect for rooms where you want to enjoy uninterrupted views of your outdoor area, whether it's a garden, courtyard, or street. By letting more light into your home, slider windows can make your small spaces feel larger and more inviting. Easy maintenance and cleaning. When you live in a small home, keeping things neat and tidy is essential. Luckily, slider windows are incredibly easy to clean and maintain. With their simple, sleek design, slider windows don't have many nooks and crannies where dirt and dust can accumulate. This makes them easier to keep clean than traditional double-hung windows, which have multiple moving parts and tracks that require frequent cleaning. Additionally, many slider windows are designed with tilt-in features, making it even easier to clean both the inside and outside of the glass from inside your home. This is especially useful for second-story windows or windows that are located in hard-to-reach places, like narrow balconies or high-up kitchen areas. Durability and long-term value. Finally, when choosing windows for small spaces in your Orangeburg home, you want to invest in something that will stand the test of time. Slider windows are known for their durability and long-lasting performance. Typically made from high-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, these windows are built to withstand the elements and require minimal upkeep over the years. Since slider windows don't have many moving parts compared to crank-operated casement windows, there's less chance of mechanical failure. This means fewer repair costs and a longer lifespan, making them a smart long-term investment for your home. Conclusion: slider windows are the perfect fit for small spaces in Orangeburg homes. If you're looking to enhance your Orangeburg home's functionality and aesthetics without compromising space, slider windows are a fantastic choice. With their space-saving design, ease of operation, and ability to maximize natural light and ventilation, slider windows are perfect for small rooms like kitchens, bathrooms, and even compact living areas. They offer a sleek, modern appearance while making the most of every inch of space, all while providing energy-efficient benefits and low maintenance. Investing in slider windows not only enhances your home's comfort and style but also increases its long-term value. Consider working with a local window professional to explore your options and start enjoying the benefits of slider windows in your small space today.